Windows 11 is coming here, and in this video we are going to check that our PC is compatible with Windows 11 or not. I hope you guys find this method very helpful and the simple method. So let's start without any problem. Let's proceed. You guys can see here, this is my Windows computer here, and I will show you that how we can check the system compatibility in the Windows computer or laptop in your system case. So you just need to go to the website of Microsoft official. You guys can see here, technology company Microsoft. So this is the Microsoft, www.microsoft.com.en/en. So you guys can see here, introducing Windows 11, and this is releasing at the end of this year, or I can say that at the beginning of the new year. So you guys can see here, in order to check the Windows 11 compatibility, we just need to, and after going to the Windows page, you will get this screen, something like this one. You just need to click on new Windows 11 here. Just tap on this one and it will reload a new website, and it will redirect you something like this page here. You just need to simply open this page and just move to the bottom side here. You guys can see here, Windows 11, all the experience and maximize your productivity, all the things new coming to the Windows 11 here will be available in this page here. And you guys can see here at the bottom of the screen, you guys can see here, get ready. Windows 11 is not here yet, but will be coming later in this year. Check for compatibility. Use the PC health check to see current PC meets to requirements to run Windows 11. So this app is, in my case, it's showing coming soon, but you can check according to your computer or laptop. It must be you just need to download this app. It is a small exe application. It will download you just need to download, in your case, in your PC, and just run the Windows test here that it can support Windows 11 or not. So it will giving, so you guys can see here, just showing minimum system requirements. If it's showing coming soon in your case also, you can check through the bottom side here. Minimum system requirements is 1 gigahertz or faster with 2 core or more cores, compatible with 64-bit processor. Minimum 4 GB RAM required, 64 GB or larger storage device. It means that you just need larger than 64 GB of SSD. System firmware UEFI secure boot capable. Okay, so trusted platform module version 2.0 TPM. Graphic card needs DirectX 12 compatible graphic card WDD M2X. Display must be higher than the 720 or the 720 higher than resolution. It will not work on 480p. It may be work on 720, but minimum system requirements means higher than 720p. Microsoft account and internet connectivity required to install Windows here. So these are the simple requirements, but here is, in my case, it shows coming soon, but you need to just download this app and just run this test, and it will show that does your computer supports or not. In my case, it is my computer, but in your case, if you're having laptop, it should show install now or download the exe. So guys, this is the simple fix. I hope you find this method helpful. You just, by running this test, you can just check the minimum system requirements that your system is capable with Windows 11 or not. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing here. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much.